SplashLearn!
Hello, little learners. I'm Bucbuc, and it's time for an alphabet adventure.
Help Bucbuc find the uppercase G, G. Yippee! Great job! C, J, G. Yippee! Great job! G. Yippee! Great job! Help Bucbuc find the lowercase G, G. Yippee! Great job! G. Yippee! Great job! G. Yippee! Great job! B. Uh-oh. Try again. E. The Bucbucs are hiding in the woods. Find them by matching the uppercase and lowercase letters. G, G, yay! They are both G. G, G, yay! They are both G. G, G, yay! They are both G. Help Bucbuc find the uppercase H, H. Yippee! Great job! E, H. Yippee! Great job! I, H. Yippee! Great job! Help Bucbuc find the lowercase H, H. Yippee! Great job! H. Yippee! Great job! H. Yippee! Great job! N. Uh-oh. Try again. M. The Bucbucs are hiding in the woods. Find them by matching the uppercase and lowercase letters. H, H. Great, you got both. H, H, H. Yay, they are both. H, N, H. Uh-oh, we don't match. H, H. Great, you got both. H. Help Bucbuc find the uppercase I. I. Yippee! Great job! I. Yippee! Great job! T. Uh-oh. Try again. J. I. Yippee! Great job! Help Bucbuc find the lowercase I. I. Yippee! Great job! I. Yippee! Great job! J. Uh-oh. Try again. I. Yippee! Great job! G. The Bucbucs are hiding in the woods. Find them by matching the uppercase and lowercase letters. I. Great! You got both. I. Great! You got both. I. Great! You got both.
Our Bucbuc friends had so much fun with you today. We'll return with more fun games. Until then, keep exploring.
SplashLearn, creating fearless learners around the world.